3, 2, 1. So you will get the page like this, and in the set you will get maths, science, maths term 2, social studies term 1 and 2 both in one format only, Hindi term 1 and Hindi term 2. Now I'm gonna show you maths term 1. From inside it looks like this, and these are the chapters in it. Now I'm gonna show you science 1 and 2nd term. These are the chapter you are gonna get. Now I'm gonna show you maths term 2nd. These are the chapters you are gonna get. Now I'm gonna show you social studies term 1 and 2. I am going to show you the inside page of Hindi term 1. So you will be getting these chapters, and all things will be written in Hindi except 8 and page numbers. Now I'm gonna show you Hindi term 2. These are the chapters you're gonna get in it.
Okay.
Thanks, friends.
Now your pencil box
Now
turn.
I'm gonna show you my pencil box. So from here you will get it like this something, and here is the space to keep pens and scales and erasers and whatever you want. And now I'm gonna show you from inside. So this is like this looking, and here we can keep many of the things, like I'm copying this, then many of the things, and it could be closed easily. And I'm gonna show you. And here you would be getting a cutter also. You don't need to carry a cutter. Here you can sharpen your pencil from here, and here you will be getting a eraser too.
That's it.
That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.
All the best for your new session.
New sessions.
Okay.
Bye, friends.